said one more, but let's do one more. Plugging down with that right foot. And when you come over this time, just again, a little bit of swaying. Just feel into what feels sticky, sticky, sticky for you. Good, let that go, release. Nice. Now let's bring the left arm inside the left knee, and we're coming right to our pumps in the upper body. Plugging elbow to the inside of the knee. Yeah, and pumping down into small intestine work here now. So of course we're holding the wrist, the back of the wrist. The left arm is trying to push up to the sky, it's trying to stay up, and the right hand is pushing it down. So we're resisting here on the way down, releasing it to come up, resisting down, releasing it to come up, flexing, lengthening, observe where resistance changes, release. And every time we hit a rep with that flex and lengthen, it's changing the fascia, it's reconfiguring anything that's dense and needs to be hydrated, can be improved. And then if there's stuff there that's really not functional, dry, brittle, it sloughs it off, kind of like buffing your feet, like a pedicure, buffing off the dead skin and then moisturizing what is still there and useful for the body, right? Yeah, a couple more. Feels good, sinking into this one. Good, now when you come down, flip the grips. So the hand comes under the wrist. Plug that hand down towards the chair, pushing up. Also find the energy between the elbow and the inner knee. Left hand's trying to push down, right hand's pushing up, coming into heart meridian here. Balancing for small intestine. If you're feeling a little warm, this is the fire element. So it's interesting, we get warm with all of the movements, but there's something about heart and small intestine and also thymus that like, whoo, really warm things up. Pushing down and pumping that left arm up now. Last two, last one. Good, come back to that grip we started with on top of the wrist. Try to sweep in front now towards the knee. Keep trying to sweep towards the knee and pull that hand back. Release. Sweeping, pushing in front and pulling the hand back towards the right hip. So it's a different angle. Right before we had the fist up, now we have it kind of pointing in front, forward of the body, a little more large intestine here. Fist trying to push away, and the right hand's pulling it in towards the right hip. Keep energizing that elbow to the inner knee. Yeah. Oh yeah, good. Take a couple now, maybe bringing the right ear down towards the right shoulder. Just look for stuff. Go on a little exploration in the back body and see what's there and dig in a little bit. Yeah, feels good.